Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another makeup tutorial on this look here using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. Again, I know I just done one, but it's really pretty and I'm obsessed with pinks lately. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to go in the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. And I'm going to go in the colour Risque, which is that colour there. It's that pink colour. I don't know what it is lately. I've been really liking like the pinks and stuff. And I'm going to put this, just pack it on my crease area. Now I'm going to start just diffusing the edges. Actually, I'm going to use some tape. Now just getting that E25 brush, I'm going to just rub off some of that pigment on there, and I'm just going to blend just the outsides a bit. Okay, now I'm going to go into Doll Face, which is that pink one right there. And I'm going to put it just above and blending it up a bit more from the colour Risque. So just on top and then blending up. And that'll give us a little bit more of that gradient effect. And I'm going to take the E27 brush from Morphe and go into the colour Demure, which is that one there. And I'm just going to diffuse the rest of it out. Alright, so I'm going to just cut the crease. Just taking some more shape tape. It doesn't really matter about the outside, I'm just wanting it more on the inside. So what we're going to do to the outside now is I'm going to go in with the Risque colour again, and I'm going to build up that outer colour again. I'm going to put glitter on that inner corner, but first I'm going to use some glitter glue, and this is going to help. Actually, it's a pigment, so this is going to help the pigment to stay on my eye, and it's going to make that pigment a lot more brighter. I'm just going to use the MAC 195 brush to pat that on where it needs to go. And then getting the Peaches and Cream Pearl pigment, which looks white but then it gives off like a pink hue, and I'm going to put that on where I just put that glitter glue. So now with my finger, I'm just going to get a bit of the pink diamond from the Rose Gold Remastered palette, and I'm just going to pat that in the middle area on both sides. Now, getting that brush that I had the Risque and stuff on, I'm kind of going to just go over it and try and blend the shimmers into that Risque colour to kind of blend it all together. I'm gonna get Risque again on just like a flat brush, and I'm gonna kind of go over that cut crease a little bit and kind of define it a little bit more. Liner, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Hyper Sharp Wing Liner. I'm going to go over it with the Stila Smudge Pot, just because I think that liner's running out a bit, so it's not getting it to go how I want. Just using the Rimmel Extra Super Lash Mascara, I'm just going to use a spoolie. I'm going to coat my lashes with this. And I'm just going to reuse some lashes that I already have because I'm not all about wasting. And I pretty much take them off as soon as I finish recording and stuff, so I need to get some sort of wear out of them. So I'm going to prime my face. Okay, so I'm going to use the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas primer, and that I'm going to use to just fill in my pores on my cheeks and some of my wrinkles on my forehead. I might put it on pretty much everywhere. Alrighty, and then of course I'm going to prime my nose with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. This is one of my favorite tricks to do. I do it all the time. I do it on every client, and yeah, I just think it works. Like, it works really well. I'm just gonna rub it into my nose. And of course we're going to use the same foundation that I always use because it's pretty much my tried and true. It never fails me. It's the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. I love this foundation. I think I'm always gonna love it. The longevity is just amazing, and yeah, I just love it. It's my ride or die. And I'm just going to blend that in using the Silk Finish brush from Zoeva. It's going to just put that all over. Okay, concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in Light Sand. This is pretty much empty, this bottle, so I'm just going to use straight from the spoolie because this is my own personal one, so I don't have to worry about cross contamination or anything. And blending that in with the Beauty Blender. Okay, so today I'm going to test out a new product. I'm going to test out the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder. Well, I have tested it out before, but I'm going to test it out without having a powder on underneath. The last time I tested it, I had the Hourglass Veil Primer on the Hourglass Veil Powder on first. But I'm just going to try and set my face with this, and then I'm going to bake under my eyes with the Hourglass. So I'm just going to just pat it all in. This is supposed to be translucent, but I can tell already it does have a cast. It's alright. It's not too bad, or like it's not too dark or anything. It's definitely got a little bit of colour to it. That's for sure. Alright, and I'm going to bake using the Hourglass Translucent Setting Powder. Using the other side of my puff. I'm going to bake underneath my eyes. And then my smile lines. I look so attractive. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer. This one is the limited edition one with the white with the rose gold writing on it, but I don't think it's available on Sephora at the moment, but I know they are bringing it back to be part of the permanent collection along with the Marc Jacobs powder, which I really, really, really want to try out. So I'm just going to bronze up my face using this one. I'm going to contour a bit, and I'm going to use the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette, and I'm going to take this cooler tone grey here and just go into the hollows of my cheek a little bit. Just to give me some definition. And I'm going to bake under that contour. I'm going to wipe away the bake on my face, other than underneath my contour, underneath my eyes. Okay, so I'm going to go in with that Demure colour, which is here, and I'm just going to push that, just smudge it all the way down my eye. I'm going dramatic, so I'm going a long way down my eye with that colour. Using my Maybelline Master Kajal liner, I'm going to just put that all along my waterline, because we're going to smudge that. And then I'm going to take that Risque colour, which is that one here, and I'm going to blend that black and that Risque together and kind of smudge it. I'm going to put doll face, and I'm just going to put that underneath too. I'm going to go coat my bottom lashes with some mascara. All the bake and everything underneath my eyes and underneath the contour. Taking the Hyper Sharp liner again, I'm going to go over that lash band. I'm going to use the Mecca Max blush in Gold Glow for the cheeks. For highlighter, I'm going to go in oldie but a goodie, the MAC Soft and Gentle. I'm going to go back over with that brush that I used the blush on, and I'm just going to kind of try and blend it in a bit. For lips, I'm going to line my lips with MAC Spice. Mine's drying out a little bit. And then I'm going to use MAC lipstick, amplified lipstick in Blankety. Which is just a nice nude. Colour. So first I'm going to spray my face with some Fix Plus. And that'll help all the powders like set in. Then I'm going to set the rest of my face with the Giorgio Armani Prima Refreshing Makeup Spray. And here we have the finished look. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Helps me out so much. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.